go talk.
These are the guys who made it happen. Ministry of Defense, the Port Authority, police.
Welcome to Fiji. Welcome to Fiji. It's so good to be here. Sorry it took so long. I didn't know it took that long to get the ship in port.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Check-in?
Check-in?
Yeah, from Fiji Port.
Port services?
Port services.
Thank you. The pilots were wonderful. They were very good, very professional, excellent. Just what we would expect and just what we got. Very, very good.
You're the right man to come over.
Yes. And I think they're going to talk Sabu Sabu tomorrow with the master.
Yes.
So thank you so much for that. And on a Sunday, we appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay. Sir, how are you? Good.
These are major military liaison officer based with the Ministry of Defense.
Oh, excellent. Great. It's so pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for having us. I heard the military hospital had hundreds of people today. So it's just excellent. And the doctors are working side by side and it's great. Okay. Fantastic. Wonderful band. Thank you so much. They were outstanding. What do you call the when they marched up, when they did the what do you call that?
It's what we call the
BB.
It's a war dance.
A war dance. It was excellent. I have a band on board and I said, you have to learn how to do that from the police officer. So thank you so much. It was such a pleasure to have him. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Both of them were attached to the ministry. Who is a warrant officer, plus one.
Okay, a warrant officer. I like warrant officers very much. They do all the work and then I can take all the credit. Warrant officers. Perfect, perfect. Thank you for the helicopter, no problems, and it's so good. We're very excited. Thank you so much. Okay? I'm sorry it was so hot. How are you? Chris Engel, nice to meet you. How are you? You're also, are you with the band as well, or?
No, I'm with the Fiji Police Tourist Police Unit.
Okay, super. We're excited for the shore patrol to liaison with your organization. We're very excited to have that opportunity. So thank you so much.
Thank you.